Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video by Akarsh Seggemu. Today I got a package from Amazon. I ordered two different products. Let's go through that. This is the package. So, first product is the AiknowFoto. So this is a flashlight. It has a light and come charger for 5-volt battery, and it has 4000 milliamperes. Your photography or video calls or anything, and also for charging your devices. And let's get to the unboxing. So it comes in a very nice package. So see what it has. So protective enclosure. So this is the AiknowFoto, and this is the instructions on how to use it. And so this, I think, is a tripod mount that you can mount the Aiknow and can use it. So it also comes with a USB-C charger, USB, and Type-C here. So this is nice. I like this product because some of the earlier ones have micro USB here. Having a USB-C is kind of the new normal over here. Yeah, so let's open it. So this gives a very nice premium look kind of a product, like, you know. And here is, you can see, it can be used for as a light, and also for charging other devices you can use it. That's one thing. I think the screw, I think it can be used for mounting if you have a tripod. So this is the one. I guess the screw is on this end, so I will try to plug it in. Just tighten it so it's steady. So as you can see, it's quite nice. You can move it in any direction you like. Very flexible, and also you can tilt it. Oh, that's a bit hard. I think overall the adjustments are good. Let me loosen this up. I think losing this, the tilt will be easy. Yeah. So there is a strong screw here that adjusts the tilts. Okay. Let's see how it works. So it was in on. I don't know why. Okay, it's reverse. So you can see huge amount of light. You can see the difference in the video now, which Aiknow on, off, on, and let's see changing the light intensity. It will blind me. I cannot use it. Let's use. So we're going for maximum brightness. So this is 100% brightness. So this is 0. This is 1. Quite effective. Let's look. This is the Kelvin feature. 8500 Kelvin, as you can see. Let's go back to the bottom. 2600 Kelvin, which is like yellow light. What else can we do? I think that's it. So here I think they have from 0 to 360 degrees kind of rotation and everything. Yeah, I think it can be used for different of these functions. Yeah, so far, thanks for watching. Bye.